everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The CMS Guys. So today I'm going to tell you how we can create this beautiful website, which you can see over here. So let me quickly show you the demo of the website so that you can be uh, make sure that before going to create the website, how the website is going to look like. So here you can see that this is the demo of the website, which we are going to create. I will going to tell you each and everything how we can create this beautiful design website, how we can add this everything, all the styles, all and everything I am going to tell you. And the most interesting part of this video is that everything is going to be free. We are going to use all the free resources to create this service based website. So here you can see that here I have made the clone of this JVZoo website. So here on this website, here you can see that we have only three pages: home page, about page, and feature page. So let me quickly show you other pages too. So here you can see that this is how our about page is going to look like. So here you can see that this is our about page, and let me quickly show you how our features page is look like. So here you can see that this is the feature page of our website. So at the end you are going to create this beautiful amazing website, which is going to look exactly the same how it is here I have created, and I am going to tell you how we can create this beautiful website. So let's start creating this website.
So we are on the Namecheap hosting page, and I have been using this Namecheap for 3 years now and not faced any issue till date. All my websites which we have created for our tutorial purpose or anything, every websites, all my websites are hosting on this Namecheap only. I recommend you to use this same, as it is very easy to use and configure, and also cheaper than other providers. You can check other providers price, and you will definitely see that this Namecheap hosting provider is very much cheap. There are three plans here. You can see that I personally use this Stellar business plan as it suits my requirements, but if you are starting out, I recommend you to use you can purchase this Stellar Plus plan. It is more than enough for most use cases. It comes with an unlimited SSD, auto backup, and unlimited websites. Auto backup saves you from unnecessary hassles, and unlimited websites are also a great offering. It also gives you a SSL protection, which makes your website doesn't show up as potential threat to any user, and also gives you a domain name for free. There are some more benefits like unlimited bandwidth, privacy protection, etc., that you get with all Namecheap hosting. So you can, if you will purchase any of this hosting, you will get that privacy protection and all. So here you can see that you have an option of selecting a data center. So you must select your data center near your country, and here on this top right corner, here you can see that all the price are in dollar. If you want to change the currency, here you can select this USD, and here you can change it. So let me change it to Indian rupee as I am from India. Then let's select the Stellar Plus plan. Now it takes you to let me click on this get started. After that, when you will select this Stellar Plus plan, now here you can see that it is asking you about the domain name. This is a free domain name you will get, so enter any domain name you wish to purchase in this box below, and then select the domain name and click to connect to hosting. So here if you have an existing domain name, then also you can click on this existing domain name. So after that, here if you will type a domain name, let me type a demo domain name. Let me do one thing. I will do this CMS guys. So here you can see that all these domain names are of free of cost. This, and after that, when here you have to click this connect to hosting. After clicking on this connect to hosting, here you can, and then click on this add to cart. So here you can see that when we have done this add to cart option, here we have this domain 1 year subscription, the price become zero. And then domain privacy, we are getting 1 year subscription, and domain registration, if you want to increase, Then also you can increase your domain registration, and if you want, you can enable the this auto renew feature. And now let us confirm our order. After verifying the domain, you can click on this confirm order to confirm this. And when you will click on this confirm order, so now on the next page here, you can see that it is asking you about this login credential. If you don't have any account, then you can create an account, and if you have account, then you can log in it from here. So I already have an account, so I will use that here. So let's sign in now. So let me enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, let me click on this sign in and continue. And then here you can see that it is asking about this payment method. So here you can use any of this payment method. Here you can use this card details, or if you want to use this PayPal or anything, so you can choose any of this payment method you like, and you can continue confirm your order. Once more you have to click on this continue, and then after that you have to click on this pay now to confirm the order. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirect to the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So you will be redirect to this dashboard, and where you can manage your domain and hosting from here. So here, and as we have got the hosting and domain, so our next step is to set up the WordPress. So from this dashboard, you can click on this. Here you can see, when you will hover over this, you can get this go to C panel. So from here you can it will be redirect you to the C panel. After then click on we have to install the WordPress. So first now to install WordPress, we have to scroll down to bottom, and or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by Softaculous. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name the cms. Let me give it cms guys. After that here in this description, I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it this ms guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also, or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme, and finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it. Then we will get one message for our WordPress. And so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then the here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that, we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this, the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in, where we have installed the WordPress, and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash and then wp hyphen admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative url, the same url, it will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password, which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like.
So here you can see that here you are getting the dashboard of the WordPress, where you are getting this welcome message. So let me quickly describe you what are the features and everything present over here in this dashboard of the WordPress. So basically here in this post section, hover over this post and click on all posts. So here you will find that there is one hello world post is already present. So we don't need this post. So what I will do, I will simply click on this trash and I will delete it. So here basically in this post section you can post different articles, or you can post your blogs, everything. After that, here in this media section, here you can see that all the media, all the images which we are going to upload will be present over here. And similarly here, when hover over these pages and click on all pages, so here you can see that you are getting this two demo pages with this privacy policy page, and one is sample page. So basically here we are going to create the pages. So now we don't need these pages. So what I will do, I will simply click on this move to trash and click on apply, and here you can see that both the pages were moved to trash. Similarly, hover over this appearance and click on themes, and here you can see that 2021 theme is activate. So if you want to activate any other theme, suppose I want to activate this 2020 theme, I will simply click on this activate button, and then on here let me open our site in a new tab, and here you can see that the theme is completely changed. Similarly, when I will activate this 2019 theme, and then let me refresh our page, and here you can see that the site structure is changed. So in this way we can use different themes. So I will going to cover this on later part, where what theme we are going to use. So the most important thing is that all the images which we have used in our website, everything is I'm going to provide you. You will find a zip file in the description below, where you will get all the images which is used over here, and the theme is also free. So now let's move to the plugin part. So whenever let's click on this plugin, and here you can see that you will also get some predefined plugin from your hosting. Suppose if you are purchasing any hosting, then you will also see more plugins were present over here. So for this simply click on all the plugins, and you can delete the plugins, because we are not going to use these plugins, because these plugins are not necessary. So after that, here you can this user, you can and add new user to your website. Suppose if you want to give some editor role to anyone in your website, then you can simply give it over here. After that, here in this setting option, let me tell you some quick setting. Here in this general setting, you can also edit your site title and tagline of your website. After that, if you want to make your website membership website, then you can enable this, anyone can register in your website. And then I think nothing more. Here you can change the time format, date format, everything. And then let's go to this writing section, and here you can see the default post category is uncategorized. So if you have any different and post category, then also you can change it over here. After that, in this reading section, we don't have to do anything over here. So let me quickly move to this permalink. So here in this permalinks, the most important thing is that here you can see that day and name is selected. So first of all, we have to make it post name, so that whatever website we are going to open, suppose here I have created about page, then slash about will come. Here you can see that in our demo website, where I have, when I am clicking on this about page, so here our website slash about is coming. So for this you have to select this post name. This is the most important part, just remember it, you have to select this post name. Now click on save changes. So now let's move to this appearance part. Hover over this appearance and click on theme. So for the first thing is that you have to delete the other themes, because I don't recommend you to use more than one theme, because it will be very much beneficial for you using one theme. So here you can see that there is a delete option over here on the right side corner. You can simply click on this delete and delete the other theme. Similarly, I will delete this 2021 theme also, and then here you can see that now only 2019 theme is activated. So now I am not going to use this 2019 theme. So what I will do here, you can see that in this add new button, simply click on add new, and then here you can search the theme. So the theme which we are going to use is OceanWP. So what I will do, I will simply type here OceanWP, and then here you can see that there are bunch of themes were coming over here. So here this is the theme which we are going to use. Simply click on install, and then let's wait for the theme to get installed. So now here you can see that this OceanWP theme is installed. So now what I will do, I will click on activate to activate this theme. So once you can see that this theme is activated, so now what I have, you have to do is delete the other 2019 theme also. Simply click on delete and then OK to confirm. So after installing this OceanWP theme, here you can see that this is recommending some of the plugins to install. So click on this begin installing plugin, and here you can see that it is recommend us to install this Ocean Extra theme. Simply click on install. So after installing this Ocean Extra plugin, there are few more plugins which we have to install. We have to also install the page builder which we are going to use. So after here you can see that you are getting this message, successfully install the plugin. Now hover over this plugin and click on add new. So here we let me. So here you can see that we have to search for the plugins which we are going to install. So what I will do, I will search here Elementor first. So basically Elementor is our page builder which we are going to use to create our website. So here you can see that this is the first Elementor website builder. Simply click on install now. And then we have to also install this essential add-ons for Elementor by WP developer. And then we have to also install this Elementor header footer block which is by Brainstorm Force and Nikhil Chava. So simply click on install now, and then we have to also install this element kits. So here these are the four plugins which we have to install. So let's wait for this plugin to get installed. So now here you can see that these four plugins was installed. So now what I will do, I will click on this installed plugin, and then here you can see that we have present all the four plugins which we have installed. So now what I will do, I will simply select all and just unselect this Ocean Extra because it is already activate. So now under bulk action we have to select this activate and then click on apply, and then you will see that all the four plugins will be uh, automatically activated. So here you can see that this is the setup widget, I think. So let me again hover over this plugin and go to this install plugin, and now here you can see that all our plugins were successfully activated. So these are the messages. You can simply close this, dismiss these messages, and here you can see that no thanks. And if you want, you can run the setup widget for this OceanWP, but I don't think so it is any more beneficial, because we are not going to import any of this demo template or anything. Here you can see that it is suggesting us some of the demo template So I will recommend you to skip the step, and then here you can also upload the logos if you want to upload, or you can also upload your logo from um, other setting also. So here you can see that that much. Here what I will do, I will click on view your website. So after that, here you can see that everything is done. So if you want to make your dashboard clean, you can simply click on this screen option, and here you will find these all the options were selected. So you can simply unselect everything, because in that way our dashboard will be clean. So now let's start creating our first page. So here you can see that how our home page is look like. So let me open the home page first. So here you can see that this is the home page. So now we are going to create this home page. So now let's start creating our home page. So here you can see that this is our first section of the home page. So for this first section of our home page, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and here you can see that pages section. Hover over these pages and click on all pages. So here you can see that no page is there. So what I will do, first of all, I will click on this add new, and let's create a new page. So here first of all, we have to give a title of our page. So here you can see that I have given the title of the page home, and then I will click on publish. So now let's open the page on a new tab. So here you can see that when I have opened this tab, we have a right side, we have a sidebar, and then we have one title menu. So let's make this disable, because we want completely blank page. So here you can see that the content layout, simply make it full width, and then here you can disable the padding, and then what I will do now, I will make it update. After that, one more thing is left, that is the title. Here you can disable the title option, and again click on update. Now let's refresh the page. So here you can see that this is the blank page which we have got. Exactly, we want the blank page. So now what I will do, I will click on this edit with Elementor to edit the page. So here you can see that after clicking this edit with Elementor, here our Elementor page builder is loaded. So as I have already told you that I am going to provide you all the images which we are going to use over here. So you have to simply upload those images. What I will do first, let me create a single section with two columns. So here you can see that I have taken a single section with two columns. Now what I will do, here you can either add this text, or before that you can also add the image also. So here let me click on this six dots to edit the section, and then here I will go to the style part, and here background type I will select the image. So here you can upload all the images at a single time, or you can also upload those images multiple times whenever it is required. So here what I am going to do is that here you can see that I am uploading all the images which I want. So here you can see that all the images are getting uploaded. So let's wait for those images to get upload. Similarly, let me upload other images too. So there are some logos were left, and some payment. So let me upload those images also. So here you can see that almost all the images I have uploaded. You will also get these images in a zip file where you can download and install it. So now after that, here let me select this one. This is the image which we have to use. Now I will click on insert medium. After that, just go to this layout and make the stretch section, and then height, make it fit to screen, and then go to the style part, and here position you can make it either center or center left or center right. It's completely depends upon you how you want to look it like. On that way you can make it. So here on our website it is in center. That's why here I have center, make it center, and then repeat, I have select no repeat, and size, make it contain, just make it cover. After that, now click on update. So here you can see that we have added the image. So now what is left is we have to add this text. So to add this text, what I will do, I will let me simply copy this first text, and then click on this nine dots over here, and here you can see that all the elements present in Elementor. Simply drag this heading to our first section, and here in this title part I will paste the text, and then I will go to the style, and here let me change the color to white, and then typography I will select Lato, and then size I will give it 72, and then weight let me give it 500, and here line height I will give 86 pixel, or you can also give it let me give it 1.5 em is also good. Now, similarly for this second text also, what I will do, I will duplicate this. Simply right click on it and you will get this duplicate option. So here after that in this, or you can also duplicate this section simply by pressing this control. Here you can see that these are the shortcut for this duplicate. So after that, what I will do in this title part, let me quickly change the text, and then I will go to the style, and here only I have to change the weight of this font. And here you can see that when I make it 700, it's looking completely different. So now here you can see that there is a difference between both this. Here you can see that uh, this text is in a single line, but we have here in two lines. So how we can fix that? Simply we can increase the column width, or let me delete this and make this column width to 15, or let me make increase it to 35. 35% is column width. Now you can see that it's looking good. So for this, let me reduce this to 1 em. Similarly, I will change it, and then now you can see that it's looking exactly the same. So now let's make the font weight, change the font weight of it. So here you can see that we have these two text over here again. Now here again you can see that we have some text. So here what we can do, again you can duplicate this text, and here in this title part paste the text, and then just go to this typography, and here you can change it. So here you can see that let me make it the font weight to 400, and then here you can see that let me increase it to 1.5. So now one more thing is that here you can see that the text is looking a little bit the it is covering the whole column. So for this what you can do, you can go to this advanced part, and in this margin section you can give a right margin. So let me give a right margin over here. So what I will do, I will select 5 em of right margin, or I can select 10 em of right margin, and now it's looking perfect. So, with this, almost our homepage section is going to complete. So now one more last part is left. That is, this is button. So for this button, click on this nine dots again, and then go to the search here for button. Or here you can find this button also. So simply drag this button under the text, and now what you have to do, here you can see the start selling more today. So instead of this text, you have to type start selling more today. So now what I have to do is I have to change the style and all. So let's start changing the style of this button. So now go to the style part, and here you can change the typography. So what I will do, again I will search here for Lato, and then here size I will give 16 pixel, and then weight 700, and line height let me give it 24 pixel. Similarly here then we have to change the background color and all. So let me make the text color to white, and the background color which I have used over here is EB6F25. So you can simply use the same color which I have used here. Now go to this hover part, and here you can see that when we are hovering over it, that orange part is becoming little bit darker. So what I can do, I can simply paste the same background color, and here I will make it little bit darker. So similarly now you can see that when we are hovering over our button, the background color is changing little bit darker. So with this, you can see that we have successfully created our first section of the home page. So now let's move to the second section. So here in this second section, here you can see that we don't have much anything. We have this image carousel over here with all this payment option. And then we have a background color. So for this, again click on this plus icon, and then create a section with a single column. So always remember to click update, because whenever you do any changes, it will be saved whenever you will click on update. So always remember to click on update. So now what I have to do is, first of all, here click on this nine dot, and here you can search for image carousel. So here you can see that this is the image carousel which we have to use. Simply drag it here, and now let's add the images. So here you can see that I have to add these images over here with this black logo. So this much I think. So now here you can see that we have six images over here now, and then I will click on insert gallery. So after that, here make that slides to scroll, here one slides to show, make it six. And then here you can see that there is no arrow or no dot. So here I will make it none. Now go to the style part, and here you can make the vertical alignment to center. After that, you can change this thumbnail, or you can also make it custom size if you want, or if you want you can change the size. So what I will do, I will make the image size to full, and then let's go to the style part, and here let's add a spacing. So here you can see that you can add as much spacing you want. So here what I will do, I think 55 spacing is good. And then go click on these six dots over here to go to this edit section, and here you can see that we have a different background color to these images. So now go to the style part, and here you can add a background color. So F5, F5, F5 is the background color. After that, go to this layout and enable this stretch section, and then here you can see that it is covering the entire section. So now again we have to add a margin at top and bottom, so that it will look good. So now let's go to this advanced part, and here in this padding section, just remember to select this EM, and then add a 2 EM top padding and 2 em of bottom padding. And then the second section of our website is also completed. So with this, you can see that we have successfully created these two sections of our website.
So now let's move to our next section. So here you can see that this is the third section, and here we have two column. So basically what we will do, I will click on this plus icon to add a section with two column. So here you can see that we got exactly a section with two column. Now on the right hand side you can see we have a image. So I will click on this nine dot and go to the element section of Elementor. Simply drag the image, and then let me choose the image. So here you can see that this one is the image. I will click on insert media. So after inserting the image, now I have to add the text. So to add the text, let me first copy the text from here, and then what I will do, either you can duplicate or you can copy the text from here, and you can simply paste it. And let me change the title from here, and then I will go to the style section, and here you can change the color. So after that, here you can see that we have to adjust the font family. We don't need to adjust because we have the same font family. So now we have to adjust the size. So basically, let's first move to the text color, and here you can see that the text color which I have used is 383C44. After that, let's go to this typography section, and here what I will do, I will change the font size to 37, and then weight, let me change it to 700, and then line height, I will make it 61 pixel. So after that, here you can see that again we have some text over here. So now what I will do, I will simply again copy the text from here, and then you can duplicate this same heading title and paste the text here. and then you can change the size. So here you can see that I have reduced the size to 60 and then weight to 400, and then let me reduce it this one also. You can give it I think 30 is okay. So after that, here you can see that we have a button over here. So again, what we can do is I can simply copy the same button from here, and then I will paste it over here, and then now here I have to change the text get started now. So here let me type it here, get started now. And then here you can see that we have an orange color border. So what I will do, I will copy the text from here, and then here you can see that the text color is the same. So I will make the background color white, and then here I will select the border type, and here I can give the width, and then here you can see that it is automatically taking that same border color. After that, in this hover effect, here you can see that we have in the text color we have the text over here, and then in the background color we have very slightly orange color. So now here you can see that we are getting that same effect over here, or you can also reduce it a little bit more according to your design, according to your style. You can customize it. So now let me leave it here. So this one is perfect for me. So after that, here you can see that we have some background effect. Here you can see that we can let me don't not box shadow. Let me enable the box shadow, and here you can see that we have completed with this section. So now what is left over here is let us go to this section setting by clicking on this six dot, and then here go to the advanced, and here you can add a margin of top and bottom 4 em margin. And then one more thing you can do, go to this column setting, and here in this vertical line make it middle. Similarly for this one also you can make it middle, and then we are done with this section. So now let's move to our next section. So in the next section you can see here that we have similarly the same section which we have earlier. So now what I can do is I can duplicate this section, and then here I will go to this section setting, and here let me here what you can do is let me first delete one column over here. So now you can let me first copy the text from here, and then instead of this text I can paste the text, and then alignment I will make it center. And then similarly for this here paying for bad traffic, uh, instead of this text let me paste the text over here, and then make the alignment to center. Now I will go to the style section, and here I will change the typography. So now what I will do, I will change the size to 20, and then line height I will make it 38. After that, here you can see that we have image on the left hand side, and the right hand side we have some text. So to get that, I will again click on this 9 dot over here, and here I will add a intersection. Basically, I think I don't need to explain what intersection is. Intersection help us to create two column. So now let me first choose the image which we want to add. So here you can see that I think this one is the image. Let me select that image, and then I will drag this button to the right side column, and then let me copy the text from here and paste it in this column. What I have to do next is here you can see that what I have to simply copy the text from here and paste it, and then only I have to change this font weight and all, because already we have now consistent of font family. So what we have to do is we have to only change the font size or font weight. That is the benefit of copying the text. So similarly here you can see that there is a paragraph over here. So what I can do is I can simply copy this paragraph, and here I can duplicate this paragraph, and I can simply drag it under the text. And now let me quickly paste the paragraph, and that's it. Now again, let's go to this column setting, and here you can make it the vertical alignment to middle for the both, so that it will be good to get the things in the right way. So after that, again we have to add a inner section so that we can create this type of section. So what I will do, again I can duplicate the same inner section, and then here I will right click on it and delete these things. So let me quickly delete these things. So after that, here you can see that we have to add this product sellers and affiliate. So these headings are similarly like this one only. So here I have to make it product seller, and then here let me copy the affiliate, and then here I will type this affiliate. After that, what we have to do here, you can see that we have one icon and then we have some text. So let me quickly add that. So to add this, we have to go to this element section, and here I will search for icon list and simply drag the icon list over here. And then let us quickly delete those icon, and then here let me first search the icon here. This one is the icon. Simply click on insert and then go to the style. Here you have to change the color of this icon, which is 288,745. Now what we have to do, again we have to go to this text part, and here go to the typography and just change it. Let me first change the font family to lasso, and then size I will give it 16, and line height I will give 34 pixels. So what here what I will do, I will simply copy the text color, which is 383C44, and here in this text I will paste the text color there. After that, here now everything is done. What we have to do, we have to simply copy the text from here, and then we have to only paste it. Similarly, let me quickly duplicate these things. You can simply copy the text from here and then paste it. So in this way you can do this one. And then now what we can do, again copy this icon list over here and then paste it here. So by doing this, here I am not going to change this text because I have to save your time, so that you can also try it at your own. So now just go to this edit section, and here in advanced, here you can see that we have added a 4 em of top and bottom margin. Now we are not going to add here margin. What we are going to add here is padding. So basically padding will help us to give this background color also. So just go to the style part, and here in this background type, here you can give a background color of F5, F5, F5. So now here you can see that this background color is not entirely covered. But so to make it that, just go to this layout setting, and here you can enable this stretch section, and here you can see that the entire background is covered with the color. After that, similarly, again what we can do is that we can duplicate that same section over here. Now let me quickly duplicate this same section, and then here I will go to the style, and I will of this background color, and then here you can see that I can quickly change the text, title text, and similarly this heading text or subheading. So here you can see that I have pasted the subheading. So now here in our earlier section, here you can see that we have image on the left hand side, but here we have the image on the right hand side. So this one is also very much easy. What you have to do, you have to simply drag this column to the right hand side, and now here you can see that we have the image on the right hand side. So now let me quickly select the image. I think this one is the image, and here I will make it full, and then here you can simply copy the text from there and then paste it. So in this way, this is for your reference purpose. I am just telling you how to do the things, so that you can try at your own, and you can easily create this type of website very much easily and very fast. So now after that, here you can see that we have this section over here. So to create this section again, we need a section with two column. And then here what I will do, I will go to this edit section setting, and here in this background type I am going to add the image. So let me quickly search for the image, which one is used there. So here you can see that this is the image. Here now what I will do, I will click on insert media, and then just go to this layout and make it straight section, and then go to the style and position. I will make it center, and then attachment, repeat, select no repeat, and size will be cover. So now after that, what we have to do is we have to add the text over here. So now what I can do is I can simply copy the text from here and let me paste it here, and then go to the style part and simply change the text color to white. And then here you can make the go to this content, and here you can simply copy the content and paste it here. Similarly, what I can do, I can duplicate this one, and then for this one, I can go to the style part, and here I can increase the font width to 700. So in this way, you can see that how much easier it is. So let me make it auto, and then click on update. After that, for this text also, what we can do, I can simply duplicate this part and then simply drag it under the text. And here I have to change the text color to white only. Similarly, for that button part, here I can copy that button and paste it here. And I have to change the text only. So let me quickly change the text, and that's all. So now go to this section setting and go click on advanced. Now we have to add a margin. So simply add top 4 em margin and bottom 4 em margin. After that, you can see that the section is also completed. So with this, we have completed this section. So always remember to click on this update, so that whatever the changes you will make will be automatically saved, so that you will not lose the changes which we have made to your website. Now to create the seventh section of this, what we have to do, again we have to click on this plus icon to add a section with two column. And then here you can see that on the right hand side again we have an image. So click on this 9 dot, go to the element part and simply drag the image. And let me quickly select the image. Let me check that this one is the image. And now I will click on this insert media. So now here you can see that the image is successfully inserted. So now what we have to do is we have to add this text. So basically here, let me copy the text, and then what I will do, I can duplicate this one and drag it on the left hand side. Instead of this title, I can paste this one. And then here you can see that I can reduce this to 400 pixels. So with this, this one is completed. So now here you can see that these are the tabs which we have to create. So now let me tell you how you can create this tab. So basically go to this element section, and here you can search for tab, and here you can see these tabs option. Simply drag it here. Now what you can do is here, let me copy the text from here, and then here in this I will paste it. And here in this title I will type SCA. So let me paste as a plain text. So now here you can see that this SCA, let me rephrase this one. I think this one is not working. So what we have to do, we have to go to the style section and border width, we have to make it off. And then content color, just change the typography. Here I will type Lato, and then I will give it 16 pixel, and line height I will give 34 pixel. Similarly for this one also I will change the font family to Lato, and then here I will give it 16, and weight I will give it 600, and line height I will give it 24 pixel. So now just go to this content part. Let me copy the content from any other one, and I will paste it here. So now here you can see that I think we have SCA, and here I can give it PCI to it, and then so basically this is how you can add this tabs over here. For now, I think there might be some problem in this localhost. That's why. For now, I am just skipping this one. Uh, what more is left is just go to this section setting of this advanced tab, and then here you can give 4 EM top and bottom margin, and that's all for this website. So similarly, for this next section, now moving on to the next section, here you can see that on this section we have this. So what I will do, I am going to provide you the demo for means where you can import this entire section. So let me quickly create this section for you. So again here you can see that we have this title over here. So what I will do, I will create a section, single section, and here I will simply drag the heading, and on this heading what I can do, I can copy this, and here I can right click and simply click on paste style. After that here I can copy the text and then go to this title section and paste here. So with this, here you can see that the heading is completed. After again click on this 9 dot, and here you can drag this inner section so that you can add these two columns over there. So now for on the left hand side also we have to add an image. So let me quickly choose that image, which one we have to add, this one, and then click on insert media. Similarly on the right hand side also we have to add an image. So let me select that image also, this one, and then click on insert media. So after adding these images on the both side, now there are few things left, is that we have to add this text over there, and then these headings, and then these buttons. So let's start with this heading, this seller and affiliate. So for this part, what we can do is, as you can see here, we have already created a button. So what I will do, I will simply paste that button over here, and then I will type the text seller, and then go to the style part, and here simply you can do one thing. You can remove, you can add this, you can remove this box shadow over there, and then you can give border radius. So here you can see that let me give it 250 pixel, and then here you can unlink this, and you can increase some, sorry, now you can go to this padding part. You can unlink this one, and now you can add some padding to it. Let me add unlink right padding more 30, and left padding also 30. Uh, Here you can see that the seller is in black color. So here I can make the text color. Sorry, let me undo this one. So here you can see that the text color I have to make it black, and then here I have to give the width color. So with this here you can see that that part is completed. So again what we have to do is here we have to add up, give the typography. So let me quickly go to this typography, and here I will increase the font size to 20, and then this one to this one I think 24 is good. Similarly I can copy this one and paste it here, and here instead of this seller I will type affiliate, and that's it. With this here you can see that we have to now we have to add this icon list. So for this icon list what I can do is uh, here we have already created some icon list. I can copy that one and let me paste it here. So now for these icon list you can go to this icon part, and here you can select this circle dot, and let me close it. Similarly duplicate this, and then go to the style part, and let me copy that color, and then go to the style. Here in this icon color you can paste that color, and here you can also reduce the size to 10 or something which you want, and you can simply paste it on the other side. And for that button also you can copy that button style, and let me paste it on the both side. And here I have to learn more instead of get started. So with this here now again go to this six dots, and go to the edit section, and now go to this advanced, and add a margin of 4 em top and 4 em bottom. So now click on update. So with this this section is also completed. So now let's move to the other section. So here you can see that these sections are already relatable, so I am not taking you so much of time to pay attention to how these sections were created. So instead of this what I am going to do is now I will provide you uh, the sections wise. Here you can see that this section template you can simply import this one, and then you can simply use it there. So now let me quickly show you, quickly give you the entire template of this home page. So now let's move to our Elementor, and let's see how we can add the template. So to import that template which I will provide you in the JSON file, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this folder icon, and then simply go to this my template. Here you can see that you don't have any saved template. So here you can see this import template button over here on the right side corner. Simply click on that, and now you have to select the file. So as you will get the all the templates including the home page template in your uh, zip file. So what you have to do, you have to simply select each zip file, each JSON file, and you have to import. So here you can see that I have imported this home template. Now what I will do, I will simply click on insert. So here do you want to also import the document settings? Simply click on yes, and then just wait, and here you can see that the entire website will be again imported. So what I can do is here, I think there may be some issue. As we have already created all these sections earlier, so what we can do is here I can delete these sections. We don't need this section, that's why I'm deleting this section. And here you can see that I can replace this, and then just move, delete this one, and then we can delete this one. So now here you can also make this changes from this templates also. If you want to make it center aligned or anything, you can do it here. And then here you can see that here we have used this image box, we have only image, and then on this body part we have only the title. Similarly, here you can see that this is the testimonial part, where we have all these testimonials were present, and then we have this simply text present over here, nothing more than that. So similarly with this, we have completed our home page. So here you can see that we have exactly created the same home page which we have seen in our demo website. So now simply click on update here, and then click here in this three line, and then click here exit to dashboard. So and now to go to the page section, you have to click on this WordPress logo again. Simply click on that WordPress logo, and then here you can see that you are now in the pages section. After that, now let's move to that about us page. So here you can see that this is the about us page. So now you don't need to worry. I am not going to take your precious time. I am going to provide you all the templates of this about and features page, so that you can quickly import these templates from your Elementor, and then you can start building, or you can reuse these templates. So now let's create about page, then you can import the template. So now let's create a about page. So to create about page, click on this add new, and then here you have to add the title. Here I will type about. After that, here, this content layout I will make it full width, and then sidebar no need, and then go to this title and disable the title. And now let's publish it. So let us see how this is looking. So here you can see that this is completely blank, but I have to also disable this padding, and then again let me update it. So now what I will do, again I will click on this edit with Elementor, and then here I will go to this folder section, and then go to this my template, and then let me import this about us. So here I have selected that about us template. So now here you can see that this about us template is insert. Now what I will do, I will simply click on this insert button, and then here you can see that this about us template is successfully imported. So here you can see that as I have already previously imported those images, that's why here all those images were already coming. So now what I have to do, I have to simply click on update to save the changes. And with this you can see that this our about us page is also completed. So now again I will click on this three dot, and then click on this exit to dashboard to go back to the page section. So let me quickly show you how we are going. Let me quickly show you what are the other things we have to do. So as we have already created this home page and about page, now we have to create this features page. So let's go to this features page, and let's see how it's looking like. So here you can see that this is the features page, how it is looks like. So for this what we have to do, again we have to go to this page section, and here what I will click on this add new to create a page, and then here I will give the title features. And content layout I will make it full width, and then go to I will disable the padding. And then in this title section I will display page title, I will disable that one. And then click on publish. Now let us see, I will open this page on a new tab. So here you can see that this page is completely blank. Now what I will do, I will click on this edit with Elementor to load the Elementor page builder. So now here you can see that the Elementor page builder is loaded. What I have to do is I have to click on this folder icon, and then go to this my template, and now I will import that feature page template also. So here you can see that I have already selected the file. You will get all those template file, all the images which is used over here, everything you will find in the link in the description to download a zip file. And in that zip file you will get all those files which we have used in this website. So here you can see that I have selected that feature page. So let's wait for it to get update. So now here you can see that this featured page is also completely imported. Now I will click on insert to insert the feature page. So now let's wait to get this feature page imported. So now here you can see that this entire feature page is imported successfully. So it's taking some time to get refreshed, so let's wait. So now here you can see that this entire page is uh, completed. So now what I have to do, again I will click on this update page, and then I will click here exit to dashboard. So as you can see that when I'm clicking on this home page, uh, let me show you. Here you can see that this home page is completely entire screen. This is full screen, and then these buttons are in white color. These menu buttons are in white color. But when I'm just clicking on this about or feature, then here you can see that when I'm clicking on this about or feature, so let me open this about page. So here you can see that this is the how this about and features menu is looking like. So first of all, let's start customizing this one. So what I will do, I will click on this WordPress logo again, and here in this home page, I will click on edit, and here you can see that there you can see option of header. You can here header style, you can make it full screen header, and then you can update it, and you can display top bar and display so now let's see how this page is looks like. So full screen means it is completely the header will be full screen. So let me make it transparent header, and then I will click on update, and let now refresh it. So here you can see that when I have selected this transparent header, it's coming, but here this top bar is present. That's why let me disable the top bar, and then I will click on update. Now let us refresh this page again. So now with this, here you can see that this is how it's looking like. So don't worry about this white line coming over here. I will tell you how you can resolve that one also. So now let's move back to that WordPress setting, and before that, here you can see that when we are going to this our particular website, that home page is not visible. So let's now fix that one first. So here hover over the settings, and then click on this reading part. So here you can see that your home page display. Here you have to select this static page, and here in this home page select home, and now click on save changes. So now here you can see that when I am opening that website, our home page is coming. After that, what you have to do now, let's update this update our logo and all. So to update the logo, click on this customize option, and it will help provide us the setting to update our logo. So now here you can see that in this site identity you can change this website name and all, and then this site icon. So here let me upload this upload the logo over here. so that we can change this site icon and all. So now here you can see that I have selected that logo. Now what I will do, I will click on select, and here this is for this title part. So I think there is some. So this much for this side icon, you can crop this one. So here you can see that the site icon is also changed over here. After that, here you can create a menu. So let me create a main menu from this one, and menu name I will give it main menu, and then click on next, and then here you can add items over here. So what I will do, I will add these three pages over here, and then that's it. Now click on publish. So here you can see that this home, about, and features are coming over here. Now after that, again go to this home page setting, and here you can also set those home page and all, which we have earlier go done that one. Then in this general option, here you will find this general styling and all. So let me quickly tell you about it. So now what, here you can change these primary colors to these colors which we have used in our website. And now let's move to this general styling. Here also you can change these stylings, and then page title. If you want to give any page title or change the page title, you can change all over here. After that, let's move to this top bar. And here in this top bar, you can disable the top bar, because we don't need this top bar. And then in this header, in this general, you can see that header bottom, border bottom, simply off that one. And here you can see that there are no header bottom is appearing. So the now the main parts come over here. So here you can see that this is how our home, about, features are looking. So these are so let me first, here you can see that when we are hovering over it, these colors are coming. So here when we are hovering over it, the colors are same. But here you can see that we have to increase the change the typography and increase the size of this font. So before that, let us first go to this logo, and let us select our logo. So I will completely select this logo, crop image, or you can select this keep cropping, and then here you can adjust this one. Let me quickly adjust this one to 75, and maximum height also I will give it to 75. And then click on publish. Now menu, here you can see that if you want to give any link effect to this menu, then also you can give this from here. So before that, here you can see that link color. Here you can change those link color. So now here link color, here what I will give, let me give it this color. After that, let's move to the typography. So here in this typography main menu, here you can select the font family Lato, and here you can give it 400 or something bold, and then font size give it 16 pixel. So now here you can see that these are appearing. So now let me open this about us page, and here you can see that clearly this home, about, features, everything is looking good. So now again one more thing is left, is that let's go to this header part again. And then here you can see that we have to uh, of this search icon. So let's go to this down and search icon style, disable that search icon because we don't have any search icon. So now let us refresh this page, and here you can see that the search icon is disabled. So now we have to specifically change the fonts color for this home page. So to do that, you can click on this edit page here, and then it will take you to this OceanWP setting. You can go to this menu, and then here you can select this font family to Lato, and then font size you can give it 16 pixel. Let me give it font weight, I will give it 400, and link color here I will select white color, and let me update. So let's view this page, and now you can see that we have got exactly the same as of now in our demo website. So similarly, again we can customize. There are a lot of settings present over there. So again, let me go to this header, and here in this general, you can, if you want, you can increase this. Let me increase to 80 or something, 85, and click on publish. So now with this here you can see that we have completed almost all these pages and all. So now there are few things left. The most important thing is left only, that is the footer part. So basically here you can see that this is the footer part, and this is the footer top part, and I have also the template of this footer and footer top. So what you have to, you don't have to do anything. You have to simply import this footer part, and then you can simply got this entire footer. So now let's go to our dashboard. So here you can see that let me go back to the dashboard here, and then here in this appearance, here you can see that header, footer and blocks. Simply click over here, and here you can add new. So now I am going to add a footer. So here I will select the footer, and then display rule, here I will select entire website, and then if you want to add any display rule, then also you can do that one. Now here I will select this publish, and let me give it a title over here, footer, and then again I will click on update. Now again, now click on this edit with Elementor to open the Elementor page builder. So now, as I have already told you, I am going to provide you that footer template also. Simply click on import, select the file, the footer file, and then click on insert. So now you can see that within a fraction of second, the entire website is now ready. So now with this, let me go back to the home page of our website, and so here you can see that with this we have completed the entire website. You can also check that it is also mobile friendly also. This entire website is mobile friendly, and with don't, if you have any query regarding this, you can comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you have if you want me to create different any other type of website, then also you can comment down below. I will definitely love to answer your queries, and I will definitely create the websites if you will suggest me. Thank you, and please subscribe, like, share and subscribe our channel.